Okay, I'm going to show you how to make the best popcorn using the best popper that uses microwave energy and the best tasting coconut oil, which makes the popcorn amazing tasting, and the best popcorn I've ever used, which is Jolly Time popcorn. Now I'm going to have links to the popcorn, to the coconut oil by Healthworks, and to this popcorn maker. Now what I do is I start off with two tablespoons of the coconut oil, and it's easy to measure. It just slides right off the spoon. You just scoop it in here. It's got an interesting texture. Put that right in the microwave popcorn maker. And then I use 1/3 of a cup of the Jolly Time yellow popcorn. Has a level 1/3 of a cup that I put in there. And you want to move it around so that the popcorn gets mixed into the coconut oil nicely. Then we're going to put this in the microwave for 3.5 to 4 minutes. You could hear it popping away, and I could smell the delicious coconut oil. And there you have it, freshly popped popcorn, delicious and healthy. So what do I think of these three products? The Nordic Ware microwave popcorn popper is the best one out there in the market. I have tried them all. This coconut oil is the best tasting, the most nutritious, organic coconut oil, and I've tried them all. This is the best. This popcorn, Jolly Time, I've tried 5 different brands. This one pops the best, has the best taste, and wins by a landslide over the other brands. So I'm going to have links to order the popcorn, the Nordic Ware popcorn microwave maker, and the Healthworks coconut oil in the description and in the comment section of this video. So I give a full 5-star rating to all 3 of these products on my video review channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions, and thanks for watching.